In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buttons in Notion. This is a great way to streamline your workflow, automate tasks, and enhance your productivity. Let's dive in and explore how you can set this up in your Notion workspace. First, open your Notion workspace where you'd like to add a button. Think about where this feature will be most beneficial. Now, let's start by typing a / in your workspace. This will open up a series of options you can choose from. The / is a simple yet powerful tool in Notion that allows you to insert shortcuts for different features quickly. Next, you need to select Button from the list of options that appear. Clicking on Button will open a new prompt on your screen. This is where you can get creative. You'll see a pop-up window allowing you to name your button. The name should reflect the action the button will perform, making it easy for you and others to understand its function at a glance. Along with naming your button, you also have the option to decide what happens when the button is clicked. This is the exciting part, as it allows you to customize actions according to your needs. Find the New Actions section in the pop-up window. Think about how you want the button to function, whether it's inserting blocks, adding a new page, editing an existing page, or even sending notifications. You can tailor these actions to best fit the workflow you're trying to create. For our example, let's choose to insert blocks. This is a handy feature if you want to add standard elements quickly, such as meeting notes, embedded links, images, and more. Inserting blocks allows you to build up your pages with rich content swiftly and efficiently. Now, to continue with our example, let's choose Add Image from the list of block types. This can be particularly useful if you regularly need to insert standard images into your workspace. Once you've selected Add Image, you can upload a file directly from your device. Choose a file that's suitable for your context, and once it's uploaded, simply click on Done to finalize your setup. Finally, with everything configured, test your new button by clicking it to see the result. Make sure that the action performed aligns with your expectations. This quick test ensures that your button works seamlessly and performs its intended function without a hitch. And that's it. You've successfully added a button in Notion that automates a part of your workflow. Not only is this feature handy for organizing your workspace, but it also saves time and effort in your daily routine. We hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to utilize Notion's capabilities to the fullest. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to optimize your digital workspace.